Have you been screwed by pain?
Do you feel out of control in your pain? Are you tired of doctors telling you what can and cannot be done? Are you tired of taking painkillers as a way to try to control your symptoms and your pain?
Unscrew yourself.
You're the only person who has control of your body. Back pain is within your ability to control. Practice these daily simple habits, these simple exercises that we teach.
This is the lazy way. If you're like me and you've gotten yourself into pain by, not doing as much movement as you should, or getting older, or getting heavier, this is the easy way to get yourself out of it.
These are tools that don't work for everybody. And if they don't work for you, money back guarantee, there's no risk. It takes 5 minutes a day for 5 days.
Cheat on your back pain. Get better, get freer of pain, get more movement, get more of what you want in your life by cheating. This is the cheater's method. Come play.